Was good, guys. As you all know, it's the end of the week. We had a successful trading with this week. I think I traded 4 times this week. I won 3 trades and I lost 1 trade. And the loss I took, not like I was wrong, the entry was just noticed. But I would quickly want to break down today's trade. Now, today's trade was amazing, amazing. On a Friday, doing this is amazing, guys. I I gave you guys the signal, even those that are not on the VIP group. And I know I promised a free Telegram, a free signal every week. So I decided to drop this. I hope everybody capitalized, everybody caught it. While people want to break down this trade and make this video as short as possible for you guys. So start off on the weekly time frame. So guys, I remember talking about inflation and what inflation is like right now. And as you can see, is inflation is at 3% compared to 3.7 last month, 8.20 last year, and inflation is higher than the long-term average was 3.28. So guys, I use this as a confluence. Sometimes I add fundamentals. So we saw how price has been giving us lower lows, as well. So this was last week's candle. Look at this. This was last week's candle. So initially I marked this level as my level of daily support. I want to say as my level of daily support. Price broke it, and look how it closed last week. Looking at this, look how sellers held. Look at the candle, guys. I'll zoom it a little bit for you guys. Look how sellers held. Very strong, guys. Look, the price started to trade above the daily support, then pulled back and closed below the daily support, indicating that sellers are holding strong and will look to hold strong for the coming weeks. So seeing how this candle closed like this, I was like, okay, this we might look to see more shorts. So that's when I went and looked at what inflation was looking like. I saw how inflation was. That was another confluence. And so I came into the week with a bias of selling the indices. So I came to a daily time frame. I saw how this area of support, there was double top forms. Look at this, guys. There was double top form at this area of support. So this was my strong daily support, which was broken at this point, and it closed under. Look at the support. Look how it closed under on the weekly time frame. So this was the confluence. And now look how the daily support. Look how they formed the double top and the resistance. Look how it formed, guys. So this week I came with a short bias, guys. Look how I think I shorted price, like basically the whole of the week I shorted price. All my trades were shorts. So I think at this point the entry was not that right. So I got wicked out. I got stopped out. Basically, I got stopped out by a lot of things, guys. I got stopped out, and price still went in my direction. But coming back today, what I saw was this. Now, today's trade. Look how price is bouncing. Look how price bounced at this point. Look how price bounced at this point. Look how price bounced at this point. Look how price rejected this point, showing that this level is a very strong level. You guys may be wondering that price closed, and then I talked about in my yesterday's video. I talked about what we call support overlaps. Now this is what I call support. This is what we call support overlaps. You have a level of support here. If price breaks support and does not hold to retest support, now when price breaks support and retest support, it's meant to come down, right? This is what we're expecting to see. This is what we're expecting to see. But at this point, price broke support and went back straight up. So this was just support overlaps at this point here. So it was still support being held. And look how price rejected this point of resistance. Look how price rejected. Look how price held as support. Look how price held as support. Now let's price will always look close, guys. Look at this point as well. The same level, the same concept of support overlaps. Look how price rejected at this point. So this level was a very strong level for me that I'll be looking for price to react off this week and today, which was Friday. Today, which is Friday. This was the level I was expecting price to react off. So I came to the market at the market open, and price has already done this. I came to the market about 30 minutes before market open. Now price has already done this. Price already rejected there. Price already rejected this point. And price has already rejected this point, which gave me a clue that okay, now price is rejecting this point, rejecting not once, not twice, but 3 times. So on the 4th rejection, okay, price, when I came to the market as well, price started trading above. It was like he wanted to break. Look at this candle. It was like he wanted to break. But price just rejected. The same thing. This one is why we'll call this resistance overlaps. Price started trading above. It didn't hold to retest, but broke back. So it's still basically resistance. So what I did was, okay, price is trading in between the zone. So what I was looking at was a bounce play. That okay, if price closes, give me a close below this point, I'll look to take my first entry, and I enter from 5 minutes. So I saw this first rejection on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, this was the first rejection. And price started moving up again. So like if price close, it's on the 5 minutes my entry candle, I'll take my first position. So here guys, I came back where price was moving down like this. But this is not where I took my first entry. So I went to the 1 minute time frame. I didn't take my entry from 5 minutes, guys, but because look how this candle reject. Look at the wick, guys. Look at the wick. See how long the wick is. So I was like, okay, bias my hold. So what I did was go to the 1 minute. So when price started pulling back, I identified this level right here. Identify this level as my level of support that was broken to hold as resistance. So after the first rejection, rejection was quite strong, so I made my first entry. Seeing that price had already closed strong below the zone. So when price started pulling back, this was my first entry, guys. That I might have kept it too. This was my first entry. I entered the market from this place, kept myself lost above the high, because if price has broken this side, the trade will then be invalid. So this is why I made my first entry. Now they tell you they should sell SPX. This is the point that says sell SPX. And now price completely dumped. So you can see this was a very simple trade today. Nothing, I didn't complicate the trade for you guys. Look at this, we had this rejection. So what I was looking for was just a rejection of my zone. Look at it, 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3rd rejection, but it was quite a big candle. Then the 4th rejection and the close below. That was where I took my first entry. The price completely dumped. So this was basically today's trade. Very simple, guys. Whatever you don't understand, whatever you find, or just ask me. I'm going to explain one more time. This was very simple. The trade was very simple. So as for my targets, I was looking to target this point, but I was looking to target this point, but I then took my profits. I then looked to take half of my position from this point, because if price broke this level, then we might see it continue to dump probably back to this level. So I took half of my profits off at this point, put my stop loss at break even, then let the rest run. So this is how I pretty much close the last position at this point. Somewhere at this point, that's where I closed my last position. Guys, it was a very simple trade today. Hope you find this valuable and hope it will help you the next time you need to take a trade. Bye. Bye for now. See you in the next video, guys. Peace out.